Hello again. Today we're looking at equality and power dynamics, and I want you to consider the thought that love asks for equality, not control. So that's one to ponder. Love asks for equality, not control. So in every relationship, power shifts. One person's voice is louder and one makes more decisions. But healthy love means overall balance. And so, whether you're in a same sex partnership or a heterosexual one, respect grows when power is shared and people develop skills of collaboration and negotiation. So, your reflection for today is where in our relationship could the balance be adjusted, shifted, or even restored? Comments below. Bye for now.